Hi, in this video, I'm going to cover some of the many benefits of using anti-aging extracts Aloe Vera 10XD for skincare problems, for hair and scalp problems, how to select the best aloe for your needs, and how to make your own anti-aging products. Also, we will discuss what aloe to avoid and how to make your own skin and hair care products using store-bought creams, lotions, and shampoo. Before I begin, let's go over some of the known benefits of aloe vera and how to select the best aloe for your needs and problems. According to most credible research, not all aloe is suited for skincare problems. Most aloe is made for different industries, such as for juice, dietary supplements, and medicinal. Basic understanding of the different uses of aloe when selecting the best aloe for skin and hair care are the size of the aloe molecules and how the aloe was processed. There is a common understanding within cosmeceuticals and pharmaceuticals that molecules must be under 500 Daltons to penetrate our skin. Most aloe is way too large, well over 2,000 Daltons, so it mostly sits on top of the skin with minimal benefits. That's why most people don't have the best results with typical aloe products. Aloe Vera 10XD, because of its special processing method, is one of the only, if not the only, aloes where the molecules are well below the 500 Daltons. Another key factor is how the aloe is processed. Most use high heat or alcohol to extract the aloe. Aloe Vera 10XD uses a unique patented process that uses low indirect temperatures during the extraction process. And as you can well imagine, high heat, much like frying an egg, kills the biological properties and destroys natural vitamins and oils. Now let's move on to what benefits are known for aloe that is suited for skin and hair care products. For skin, aloe replenishes vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. It contains many essential amino acids. Your skin will love the added nutrients such as copper and zinc, plant steroids, and fatty acids. The correct aloe will provide many well-established benefits, such as anti-aging properties for your skin, reduces wrinkles, rebuilds elastin, which helps with sagging, drooping skin and wrinkles, rebuilds collagen, which is the main component of our skin and scalp, aids with dry skin, acne, wounds, burns, sunburns, and a whole host of other benefits. Your hair and scalp will benefit from Aloe Vera 10XD. A healthy scalp promotes hair regrowth, alleviates dry, flaky skin, redness, inflammation, balances the pH, reduces dandruff, and is known to help with psoriasis and seborrhea. It also contains antifungal properties and helps your skin and hair retain moisture so they don't dry out and cause problems. When starting, you might need to acclimate your skin to the aloe, so begin slowly by testing a small amount on the back of your arm. If your skin doesn't react, you can then apply it to your face. Again, start slowly and build up a tolerance. Then once you get going, for best long-term results, apply twice daily. There are different ways you can apply the aloe. You can apply directly to the affected areas or mix it into your store-bought skin products. I like to place a small amount of cream or lotion in my palm, add a few drops of aloe, then mix the two together and apply on my face, ears, neck, upper chest, and arms. Or you can get your shampoo and lotions ready, gently heat these in your microwave for about 15 seconds, dump into a mixing bowl, add 10 drops of Aloe Vera 10XD per ounce of cream, lotion, or shampoo, then pour back into the container. If you are trying to create your own anti-aging cream, you can also add non-denatured dill seed extract that has water and glycerin as the solvents. This will do wonders for your aging skin. Don't expect to see results overnight. Anti-aging, sagging skin, wrinkles, etc. will require about 1 month for every 10 years. For example, long-term results will be noticed in 5 months for a 50-year-old person. As you age, it takes this long to develop new skin cells. Scalp problems such as dry spots and dandruff will take from 1 to 4 weeks to see results. I recommend continued use, well, for the rest of your life. If you don't take consistent care of your skin and scalp, you'll experience more problems. Even just using a moisturizer twice a day will work wonders. The saying, start young, stay young, applies to skin and hair care. To learn more and get started, check out our website, aaextracts.com, or find us on Amazon search for Anti-Aging Extracts Aloe Vera 10XD.